Okay, guys, I have this ANYCUBIC. Reason why I know its name compared to the other brands I usually review, because I actually have the printers from this brand. Let's pull this out. Nothing else in the box. Keep it for later. Let's check. Oh, it does have a vacuum seal on it. Surprisingly or not. Not a vacuum seal, but a actual reusable bag to a point. Technically, you can't recycle it, but I want to save it because I use these bags for other stuff. Okay. Hi, kitty. How are you doing? I love you. It's a gray filament. And, of course, they have their little taggy right here. Hi, Mouser. Use this down by my feet. There's, let me see what else is in here. Oh, it comes with a little clip. It's, what we call a filament clip. You basically put this on here, and it clips on here. Kitty, do not click on anything. I'm gonna have to put you down for a little bit, because I don't want you to click on the button by accident. He's a good kitty. I know you want more treats. You have plenty of food. I'll feed you more cans soon, kitty. After this. Back to this. You basically put the clip on it, and you basically put the filament on it. I will be testing this out soon. These clips are good. I'll be saving it for later because I really don't use them majority of the time. I am not sponsored. I pay for it with my own money. I pay for all this, and this stuff is usually pretty cheap when I buy it. So yes, I go with any brand out there. I don't have one brand. Like, subscribe, and comment for more, please. Talk to you next time, and I'll print with this very soon. Probably. Bye for now. I gotta feed the cat.